Chal. Hello everyone, I am Rajeevsharma in front of you. After the first chapter of the physical world, now we started it. Second chapter, unit and measurement. जैसा कि बच्चों, in ancient time, then person to be buy and sold the substance, then it will be exchanged to each other. But it was not an actual value or the actual measurement of any substance. Then person is think about how will we measure any object, its actual value. Now we discuss about our second chapter, unit and measurement. First we discuss our first topic in this chapter is fundamental quantities. What is the fundamental quantities? In science, all the physical quantities is represented by some set. It is known as the fundamental quantities and it is generally 7 type. Now first is distance, second mass, third time, 4 temperature, 5 luminous intensity, 6 current, and 7 is amount of substance. It was generally 7 type of the fundamental quantities. Distance, we know that what is the distance? A line joining between the 2 points, that is known as the distance. And second is mass. Mass is the actual magnitude of the any object. Time, that was the period of work done. Temperature, the warmth and coolness sensitivity of the body is known as the temperature. Luminous intensity, that was generally a ray of light will be crosses to the any crystalline structure per sectional area. 1016 centimeter square, that was the luminous intensity of the light. And current, the rate flow of the charge is known as current. Amount of substance, that was the actual measurement of any substance or matter. Now we discuss to the another topic, fundamental units. But before the fundamental unit, now we discuss to the types of unit, and it is generally 3 types. One is SI system or MKS, that is also called meter kilogram. Second CGS, centimeter gram and second, and third is FPS, foot pound second. Now I discuss the types of unit. First, MKS or SI system. Second, CGS. And third, FPS. What is the MKS system? That is also known as the meter kilogram second or standard international unit. We are always used to the standard international unit or MKS unit to buy and sort the substance and the actual measurement of any object. Now second is CGS, centimeter, gram and second, and third that was the foot, pound and second. That was the least measurement of any object or the smallest measurement of any object to like as the foot, pound and second. Now the foot is the smallest unit for the distance, pound is the smallest unit of the mass, and the time is the smallest unit is second. Now the biggest unit in these terms, distance, meter, mass, kilogram and second is the smallest unit in every types of the unit. Now we discuss to the fundamental unit. What is the fundamental unit? If all the physical quantities is represented in the term of the SI system or MKS system, that is known as the fundamental units. Fundamental quantities. Fundamental unit. All the physical quantities is represented in the term of the SI system, that is known as the fundamental units. To like as first distance, mass, third time, fourth temperature, 5 current, 6 luminous intensity and 7 amount of substance. The fundamental unit of the distance is meter and it is denoted by small m. Mass, kilogram, it is represented by kg. Time, that is the duration of period, it is known as second. Temperature, the SI system unit is Kelvin and it is denoted by capital K. Current, SI unit is ampere and it is denoted by capital A. The luminous intensity, that is the SI unit is candela and it is represented by CD. Amount of substance, that was the represented in term of mole. It was generally fundamental unit, that was the basically depend at the fundamental quantities. In our whole physics is basically depend upon the fundamental quantities, and in the different terms to like as the distance, it's the SI unit is the meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, amount of substance, mole, luminous intensity, candela. Now we discuss another topic that was basically depend between the fundamental quantities and fundamental units.